G'day everyone. The Filter Kit Kings of Australia, Filters Plus, are giving away a full service kit. That's air, oil, fuel and cabin filter for any ute or four-wheel drive that you have. But that's not all. You will also get a drum of up to 10 litres of Penrite oil to do your service and 2 Penrite additives. And best of all, entry to the competition is free. All you have to do is follow the link or the QR code to sign up and you're in the draw. But it doesn't stop there. Let's double it. So that's 2 full service kits, 2 lots of oil and 4 Penrite additives. This draw is open to all Australian residents. T's and C's apply. Sign up today.